Welcome to AnatomixGlobal. Have you ever wondered what keeps your body alive every second of every day? In this video, we'll explore the incredible world of human anatomy and physiology. Together, we'll discover how the human body is built and how every organ and system works in perfect harmony. Anatomy is the branch of science that studies the structure of the human body. It examines every bone, muscle, organ, blood vessel, nerve, and tissue, helping us understand how the body is organized from head to toe. Simply put, anatomy focuses on what the body is made of. Physiology is the study of how the body functions. It explains how the heart pumps blood, how the lungs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, how the brain controls the body, and how every organ performs its unique role. Physiology helps us understand how life is sustained every moment. Anatomy and physiology are closely connected. Anatomy tells us what the body's structures are, while physiology explains how those structures work. You cannot fully understand one without the other. Together, they provide a complete picture of the human body. The human body is organized into 5 levels. Cells are the smallest living units. Similar cells combine to form tissues. Different tissues work together to create organs. Organs then form organ systems, and all organ systems together make up the complete human body. The human body contains 11 major organ systems. These include the integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems. Each system has a specialized role, but together they maintain life and health. Every organ system depends on the others. The brain sends signals throughout the body, the lungs supply oxygen, the heart circulates blood, the digestive system provides nutrients, the kidneys remove waste, and the muscles produce movement. This teamwork allows the body to function as one remarkable living system. Learning anatomy and physiology helps us understand how our bodies work and how to maintain good health. It forms the foundation of medicine, nursing, physiotherapy, sports science, and many other healthcare professions. It also helps us make informed decisions about our daily lives. The human body is truly extraordinary. An adult skeleton contains 106 bones, more than 600 muscles work together to produce movement, and trillions of cells carry out countless processes every second. Your heart beats about 100,000 times each day, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. We've explored the basics of human anatomy and physiology, from the body's structure to the way its systems work together. This is just the beginning of your journey into understanding the human body. Subscribe to AnatomixGlobal for more professional 3D anatomy and medical education videos, and join us in the next lesson as we continue exploring the amazing science of the human body.